Having printer problems with VMware? Don't worry, we're going to walk through exactly how to get it fixed.
Yeah, this is a super common issue. So let's dive right in and look at the usual suspects.
It's almost always a communication breakdown between the virtual machine and your actual computer.
Think of this service as the bridge between your VM and the physical printer. It's key.
Okay, first things first, we gotta open up Windows Services to find what we're looking for. Just find the VMware USB arbitration service, give it a right click, and hit restart.
And after that, you absolutely have to do a full reboot of your virtual machine. Still no luck? Well, the connection protocol itself might be the problem. Let's try something else. So if you're on PCYP, just try switching over to VMware Blast or even RDP instead. You know, a corrupted or just outdated agent is another classic reason for this problem. So reinstall the agent on the virtual desktop and the client on your machine. Then reboot them both. Now this next one is a big one for corporate networks, especially with location-based printing. A simple mismatch, like a 32-bit file on a 64-bit server, will just stop it from working. This one's huge because it installs the ThinPrint driver that lets the VM see your printer. Just head up to the VM menu right at the top of the window to kick off the installation. Okay, pay close attention here. You have to pick Complete Install. Typical can miss the driver. Oh right, once that's all done, just give the virtual machine one final reboot to lock it all in. So what if you can see the printer, but nothing's actually printing? It happens a lot. The fix for that is usually pretty simple. Just restart the print spooler service inside the VM. And what if the printer isn't even there? Let's quickly cover how you can add it manually. Easy. Just power down the VM, go into Settings, and add it like it's new hardware. And that's it. That should cover the main fixes and get your printer up and running again.